Hello and welcome to Fact and Beyond, where quizzes meet curiosities. Today, I've got 30 exciting quiz questions just for you. Are you ready? Question number 1. Guess the food that never spoils. A. Cheese. B. Honey. C. Tea powder. D. Rice. The answer is honey. Honey has very low water content and is naturally acidic. That means bacteria and germs can't live in it. As long as it's sealed and kept dry, honey can last forever, even thousands of years. Question number 2. At what temperature Celsius and Fahrenheit have the same value? A. -40. B. 100 C. -21.2 D. 0. The answer is -40. But why -40? According to the equation above, Celsius and Fahrenheit meet at -40. At this temperature value, both scales show the same reading, no difference. Question number 3. Which is the oldest country in Europe by name still used today? A. France. B. Italy. C. Bulgaria. D. Austria. Surprised? It's Bulgaria. Let me explain. The name Bulgaria comes from Bulgar tribes who settled in the Balkans, keeping the same national name since 681 AD. Question number 4. If you were caught in rain on Neptune, what would fall from the sky? A. Sulfur dioxide. B. Water. C. Diamonds. D. Nitric acid. Diamonds is the answer. Extreme pressure and cold on Neptune can turn atmospheric carbon into solid diamonds, causing scientists to predict diamond rain. Question number 5. Who has won most Oscars for acting roles? A. Jack Nicholson. B. Katharine Hepburn. C. Daniel Day-Lewis. D. Robert De Niro. Yep, it's Katharine Hepburn. Katharine Hepburn was famous for her independence, strong personality, wearing trousers in Hollywood's golden era, and winning 4 acting Oscars. Question number 6. Even though many literatures work under him, the book, The Picture of Dorian Gray, was his only one novel. Who is he? A. Jean-Paul Sartre. B. Albert Camus. C. Harper Lee. D. Oscar Wilde. The answer is Oscar Wilde. He was an Irish writer who believed in art for art's sake, celebrating beauty, wit, and individual freedom through his plays, poetry, and essays. Question number 7. What is the longest standing world record in athletics, track and field? Is A. 200 meters male by Michael Johnson. B. 400 meters women by Marita Koch. C. 800 meters women by Jarmila Kratochvilova. D. Pole vault by Sergei Bubka. And the correct answer is C. Jarmila Kratochvilova. Let's see why this record is so special. Jarmila Kratochvilova set her 800 meters world record at the 1983 European Cup in Munich, remaining unbeaten for over 40 years. Question number 8. What is the tallest mountain from base to peak on Earth? A. Everest, Nepal and China. B. Denali, Alaska, USA. C. Kilimanjaro, Tanzania. D. Mauna Kea, Hawaii, USA. The correct answer is Mauna Kea. But wait, why not Everest? Let's see why. Mount Everest is highest from sea level, while Mauna Kea is tallest from base, starting deep beneath the ocean. Question number 9. Which composer became deaf later in life but continued to create music? A. Ludwig van Beethoven. B. Pyotr Ilyich Tchaikovsky. C. Frédéric Chopin. D. Amadeus Mozart. The answer is Ludwig van Beethoven. He born 1770, began losing hearing around age 28, yet composed masterpieces until his death in 1827, inspiring generations worldwide. Question number 10. What is the longest river in the world? A. Amazon. B. Nile. C. Yangtze. D. Volga. The answer is the Nile. But Nile is not just a river, it's a story of life itself. The Nile River, about 6,650 kilometers long, flows north through 11 African countries into the Mediterranean, vital for agriculture and civilization. Question number 11. What is the largest military invasion in the history? A. Operation Barbarossa, B. D-Day invasion, C. Napoleon's invasion of Russia, D. Cold War invasion by USA. The answer is Operation Barbarossa. Operation Barbarossa in 1941 involved about 3.8 million Axis troops, 600,000 vehicles, and 750,000 horses, the largest invasion ever. Question number 12. Who won the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1953? A. Mikhail Sholokhov, B. Jean-Paul Sartre, C. Winston Churchill, D. Maxim Gorky. And the honor belonged to Winston Churchill, who won the 1953 Nobel Prize in Literature for his historical writings and speeches, especially his 6-volume World War II memoirs. Question number 13. What is the continent with largest number of countries? A. Asia, B. Africa, C. Europe, D. South America. More borders, more nations, more stories, it's none other than Africa. Africa has the highest number of countries of any continent, with 54 recognized nations, showing its vast diversity in culture, geography, and history. Question number 14. What is the double landlocked country from below? A. Liechtenstein, B. Kazakhstan, C. Hungary, D. San Marino. Borders on all sides and no coast in sight, that's Liechtenstein. Liechtenstein is double landlocked, surrounded by Austria and Switzerland. Uzbekistan in Central Asia is also double landlocked, rare globally. Question number 15. Who was the USA president at the end of World War II? A. Woodrow Wilson, B. Franklin Roosevelt, C. Dwight Eisenhower, D. Harry Truman. It was the leader who made the final call to end the war, none other than Harry Truman. Harry Truman became U.S. President in April 1945 after Roosevelt's death and led America through the end of World War II. Question number 16. How many citizens live in Antarctica? A. 1,000, B. 88, C. 4,800, D. 0. The reality is quite surprising. Antarctica has no permanent citizens. Only 1,000 to 5,000 scientists and staff live temporarily in research stations, depending on the season. So the correct answer is 0. Question number 17. What is the oldest and continuously habitat city in the world? A. Jericho, B. Damascus, C. Rome, D. Athens. Across thousands of years, through empires and civilizations, one city has never been abandoned. The title belongs to Jericho, in Palestine, dates back over 11,000 years and is considered the world's oldest continuously inhabited city with ancient ruins. Question number 18. Which of the following cities is not a capital of an Asian country? A. Vientiane, B. Hanoi, C. Tashkent, D. Zagreb. The answer is Zagreb. Zagreb is the capital of Croatia, a European country, while Vientiane, Hanoi, and Tashkent are capitals in Asia. Question number 19. What is the largest organ in the human body? A. Liver, B. Skin, C. Lungs, D. Skeleton. Protecting every other organ, the largest one is none other than skin. The skin is the largest organ, covering the whole body, making up about 16% of body weight, and protecting organs. Question number 20. Who is considered the inventor of the automobile? A. Carl Benz, B. Daimler, C. Henry Ford, D. Sakichi Toyota. History credits the invention of the automobile to Carl Benz. Carl Benz is credited with inventing the first practical automobile in 1886. Gottlieb Daimler developed the 4-stroke engine, while Henry Ford revolutionized mass production, but not invention. Question number 21. What is the largest peninsula of the world? A. Arab Peninsula, B. Indian Peninsula, C. Alaskan Peninsula, D. Italian Peninsula. Covering more than 3 million square kilometers, the title goes to Arab Peninsula. The Arabian Peninsula, about 3.2 million square kilometers, is the largest in the world? India is a larger country, but its peninsula is smaller. Alaska and Italy are also smaller. Question number 22. Which country has the largest number of Portuguese-speaking people? A. Spain. B. Portugal. C. Brazil. D. Angola. With over 200 million speakers, the country is Brazil. Brazil is the largest Portuguese-speaking country, with over 200 million speakers, due to Portuguese colonization and its vast population size compared to Portugal's 10 million population only. Question number 23. As per Greek mythology, who was the god of the sea? A. Zeus. B. Athena. C. Poseidon. D. Hades. In Greek mythology, the god of the sea is Poseidon. Zeus ruled the sky, Athena wisdom, Hades underworld, while Poseidon, god of the sea, reigned over oceans and waters. Question number 24. Who is considered as the father of modern science? A. Isaac Newton. B. Galileo Galilei. C. Albert Einstein. D. James Clerk Maxwell. The father of modern science is Galileo Galilei. Galileo is ahead of Newton, Einstein, and Maxwell because he pioneered observation, experimentation, and mathematics, creating foundations for modern scientific method. Question number 25. Who is the longest snake in the world? A. Reticulated python. B. Burmese python. C. Green anaconda. D. Rock python. It may not be the heaviest, but it is the longest. The reticulated python of Southeast Asia is the world's longest snake, while the green anaconda of South America holds the record as the heaviest. Question number 26. What year did TikTok launch? A. 2015. B. 2017. C. 2020. D. 2014. From a small app to a global craze, it all began in 2017. TikTok, launched in 2017 by ByteDance, quickly grew into a global platform for creating, sharing, and discovering short-form videos. Question number 27. What color is a polar bear's skin? A. White. B. Ash. C. Black. D. Brown. Don't be fooled by the white coat. The skin of a polar bear is actually black. Polar bear skin is black to absorb heat efficiently. Their fur is transparent, scattering light, which makes them appear white in snow. Question number 28. What is a group of owls called? A. A flock. B. A parliament. C. A colony. D. A pack. It sounds political, but in nature, it belongs to owls, a parliament. A group of owls is called a parliament, symbolizing wisdom and mystery, reflecting their nocturnal nature and cultural associations with knowledge. Not human parliament. Question number 29. Which country has the most pyramids? A. Sudan. B. Egypt. C. Libya. D. Mexico. So, did you guess Egypt? Well, that's the popular choice, but surprisingly, the real winner is Sudan. Sudan has over 200 pyramids, built by Nubian kings, while Egypt has around 120. Sudan's pyramids are smaller and steeper, but they outnumber Egypt's. Question number 30. In 1998, Matt Damon won his only Oscar award in which category? A. Best Actor. B. Best Supporting Actor. C. Best Producer. D. Best Original Screenplay. And the Oscar didn't go to his acting, it went to his writing. The answer is Best Original Screenplay. In 1998, Matt Damon and Ben Affleck won an Oscar award for Good Will Hunting, which they co-wrote from a story Damon first drafted at Harvard. Enjoyed the quiz? How many questions you answered correctly? If you enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe for more.